Hey y'all, today we're working on the trailer tongue of the pop-up camper, renovating it, and we're going to put a fresh coat of paint on it, rewire the connector and everything. So I hope you like this video, and if you would, it would be a big help to me if you like and subscribe on this video, and then also ring the bell. That way you're notified anytime we have any other videos that we have uploaded. You'll get the notification. It really helps the channel out, and I surely appreciate it very much. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't have a lot of talking on it. Just kind of sped through a lot of it. Just kind of wanted you to see the ins and outs of what I did to refurbish the trailer tongue. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Cut.
Alright, so I'm going to work on this wiring some more, and got the trailer tongue pretty much redone. Waiting on my new jack to come in, so I'm going to go ahead and work on this wiring some more and see if we can't get that fixed. I'm using these Dorman weatherproof butt connectors. These seem alright because they crimp them on and then you heat shrink this on and it keeps them weatherproof, so this ought to work out pretty good, I hope. Good Lord. How much wire do y'all think I need? Okay, so let's go ahead and get this butt connector put on and we'll start getting everything rewired.
You said butt.
Yes, that's what it's called. See, it's called a butt connector. My 8-year-old camera girl thinks it's hilarious that I said butt.
That's me. Ew. Gross. Step away from the ladder. Step away from the ladder.
We had a little accident a minute ago with the lighter that I was trying to seal these up with. It was leaking butane and my hand caught on fire. So mental note, always be rolling because that probably would have been pretty funny to see.
Actually, I got some on my hand too, but I just wiped it off of me. Because I knew it was probably water or something bad, so I hate lighters, so I just wiped it off of me real fast.
Alright, now I just got to connect. Ah, look at that, I made a mistake.
Connect them.
I can't. I wasn't thinking about that. I got to cut these off now. Oh man.
Why can't you pull them off?
Alright, stop the camera.
Blooper.
Alright, correcting my mistake earlier. About made it again. All wired up.